This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 24 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, water heater, leveling jacks, microwave, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, skylight, DVD player, external shower, awning, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 24 RBS is 5,709 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.